مرحبا. معنا اليوم في الدرس الثاني ل school materials lesson 2 letters. You need to start copying that on your journal and you're gonna find the correct answer at the end of this video. Let's start reading letter by letter. دفتر, مدرسة, سبورة. As we talked before in previous lesson, when we have two letters that they have the harakat and they have the sukoon, which is this little thing on the top, and then another haraka here. This means they are one letter, and then we put shadda on the top, which is the little w, and it's stressed out. صباح الخير, حالك, حالك. Now, دفتر means notebook. مدرسة means school. سبورة means blackboard. صباح means morning. الخير means good. حالك means yourself. صباح الخير, صباح الخير. You need to match it with the meaning. صباح الخير. دفتر, مدرسة, سبورة. بخير والحمد لله. صباح الخير means good morning. دفتر notebook. مدرسة school. سبورة board. بخير والحمد لله. I'm well, thank you. Now you're gonna translate these words into Arabic. I'm gonna leave. You can stop the video now and then come back when you are ready. Sabah. Now the long vowels and the long letter. The long vowels are three: alif, waw, and ya. Alif, waw, and ya. So we're gonna locate that in the word. For example, here, where is the long vowel? The long vowel is this. This is the long vowel. The long vowel. This is the alif. So where is the long letter? The long letter is ba. Sabah. Sabah. You see how it's long? So we have to write here ba. Where is the long vowel here? This is the long vowel. Al khair. Al khair. You see how the long letter is kha and the long vowel is ya. Khi. Kayf. Kayf. So this is the long vowel, and the letter that comes before the long vowel is the long letter. Sabura. Sabura. So here we have the long vowel waw, and the long letter is ba. Boo. An-nur. An-nur. The long vowel here is waw, and the long letter is nu. Nur. Haluka. The long vowel is alif, and the long letter is ha. Haluka. Now here you have to copy this day 3 times, and you can write the meaning in English over here, or you can copy it twice and write the meaning in English. Last class, we learned how to say al-ahad, al-ahad, which is Sunday. Now we are learning al-ithnain, al-ithnain, Monday. Al-ahad, al-ithnain. Last class also we learned how we say واحد, which is one. Now we're gonna learn اثنان, two. واحد, اثنان, واحد, اثنان, and those are the numbers. You need to practice your name also 3 times. Now for this part, you need to write or Sabah al Khair, you need to copy it twice and you're gonna translate it into English. Please try to memorize these vocabulary. For example, Sabah al Khair means good morning. Daftar, notebook. Sabura means board. Madrasa means school. Sabah al Khair, Daftar, Sabura, Madrasa. Try to read them and then practice writing. Here we have to highlight the letter Ba. Either you highlight it, you underline it, or you circle it. أحب أبي كثيرا وأشتاق إلى حبيبي. ابني سوف يصبح طبيب تقويم وابنتي محامية بارعة. For this part, we need to put fatha on the top. Remember this when we talk about it, those kind of little accent on the top of each word. Every one of them has a sound. So, and we call them short vowels. The short vowels, fatha, dhamma, kasra, sukun. So now we are doing fatha. We're gonna put this fatha on the top of the last letter, and then we try to pronounce the ra. Daftara, madrasata, saburata, sabaha, al-khayra. This is how we should pronounce it when we put fatha on the top. Now this one we call it dhamma, and the dhamma sound is like u. It's a short vowel, like daftaru. If we put it at the end of this letter, it will be daftaru, madrasatu, saburatu, sabahu, al-khayru. Now we move to this one. This one is kasra. We call it kasra, and the sound for the kasra is ki, I, like the long vowels. Yeah. If we put it under at the end of the letter, this letter, it will be daftari, madrasati, saburati, sabahi, al-khayri. Those are short vowels. The long vowels are alif. It's the same sound like fatha. Waw, the same sound like dhamma, but it's longer. And ya, which is the same sound like kasra, but also longer. Those gonna be your spelling test. So sabahul khair, practice your spelling test and practice those letters. Daftar, sabura, madrasa. Practice those letters with on your own and then test yourself. Now let's go over the this your answers. Your answers should look like this. Daftar, madrasa. Correct your answer. Sabura, sabah, Let's do it on red. Maybe it's better if we do it on red. It's more clear. مدرسة سبورة صباح الخير and حالك. Then your answer should look like that. Now here صباح الخير means good morning. دفتر notebook سبورة مدرسة بخير والحمد لله. And here the translation, I left it for you to do it. It's already easy. And this is your answer here for the vowels, the long vowels and the long letter. They should look like this. Look, non-vowel, long letters. Now the rest are just copying. You need to copy, and that's it for today. Copy, copy, and this is my answers for the ba. This is the answer for the fatha, damma, kasra. And have a nice day. مع السلامة.